Namamsi. My name is Shubha and you are watching Tattvam YouTube channel. This is the Varnamala series where I teach how to pronounce Samskritam sounds correctly. I also teach how to read and write the Devanagari script, and apart from this I give lot of fascinating information and also in-depth knowledge about the pronunciation of these sounds. So please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of these interesting and informative videos. In this video, we shall look at the difference in the pronunciation of sh, sh and s, and we'll learn the correct way of pronouncing each one of them. Now that you know about the sthanam and the karanam, most probably you would have figured out the difference in the pronunciation of sh, sh and s, but still we will just look at it again. This sh is called talavya shakaraha because it is produced from the talu region. We had already seen all these places, these ucharana sthanas, but if you have not seen that, please do watch that video. Just to give more clarity, I'll again show the diagram. In this diagram, the dot marked in orange color indicates the talu region, which is the hard palate region. So this sh comes from this region. This region is involved in producing the sound sh. We had seen the sutra, Ichu Yashanam Talu. So this sutra gives all the alphabets which are produced in this Talu region, and this sh is part of it. And we had also seen in the Karanam video, if you haven't watched that, again please do watch that video. We had seen in the Karanam video the sutra which says Talu Sthanaha Madhyena. That is, these talavya sounds are produced with the help of the middle portion of the tongue. So, this sh sound is produced when the middle portion of the tongue, it doesn't touch the hard palate, doesn't touch the talu region, but air passes between the middle portion of the tongue and the talu region. When this happens, this shakara is produced. This sh is called murdhanya shakara because it is produced from the murdha region. Just to revise, I will show you the diagram again, which clearly shows what is the murdha region. Murdha region here in this diagram is marked with a yellow dot. It comes next to the talu region. It is the roof of the tongue, and the sutra which spoke about the murdha is Ritu Rashanam Murdha. That is, all these sounds are produced from the murdha region. In this list we have this shakara also. We had seen the in the Karanam video we had seen the position of the tongue during the production of the murdhanya sounds. The sutra says Murdhanyaha prativeshtyagram. That is, the murdhanya sounds are produced by the front portion of the tongue, which is folded in a folded position. So now if we want to produce this sh, we have to fold the tongue slightly, and when the air passes between the roof of the tongue and this folded front portion of the tongue, then this sh is produced. Here I would like to make a very important point. The difference in pronunciation of the sh and the sh makes difference in the meaning of the word. For example, Vishayaha means topic. Now in the place of the murdhanya shakara, if I put the talavya shakara and say Vishayaha, then it means doubt. So meaning changes with the pronunciation. So we have to be careful with the pronunciations. Now let us look at some commonly used words that start with sha. Shankaraha, Shivaha, Sharkara, Shashaha, Shashankaha, Shalini. Here are some words starting with the Murdhanya Shakaraha. Shanmukhaha, Shat, Shadyantram, Shashtihi. And the last one, sa, is quite clear to most people. It is a dantya sound. The sutra which says is Litulasanam dantaha. So it is the dantaha is the ucharana sthanam for sa, sakara. And the position of the tongue we had seen in the karanam video. For dantyaha it is dantyaha jihvagrakaranaha. The tip of the tongue, when they touch the teeth, then the dantyaha sounds are produced. So when the tip of the tongue touches the teeth, then the sa sound is produced. I will just pronounce these sounds again to give more clarity. Sh, sh, sa. Sh, sh, sa. I hope this video was of use to you. If it was, then please let me know by commenting below, and also by liking and sharing and subscribing to Tattvam YouTube channel, and click the bell icon so that you get notified when I add new videos. धन्यवादः. अग्रिम वीडियो मध्ये पुनर्मिलामि. नमस्ते.